Fort Lauderdale. Puerto Rico, San Juan. Almost 1 hour from Puerto Rico and Fort Lauderdale and see this wonderful island there. Look at it. Oh my god, how much beautiful water. Oh yeah, so nice. It's really beautiful. And I'm continuing my lunch. Rico, sta London e Fort Lauderdale. Soon we leave and come back for Florida. Okay, I just stay there in the car. And then we go the Poolside hotel right now. Come back and home, of course. And we have a private residence. Every Four Seasons Hotel. This is in the Ashram, 6th floor. This is actually not hotel in the residence where we always come. We're sleeping here, me and my husband. Huh? This is in my husband's bathroom. Cuckoo! Everyone, it's me. It's me. This is in the salon. It's beautiful. This is in my balcony, perché connection. And coming the luggage. Oh. Look at it, so beautiful. Beach.
But at least the sun goes down later, so you can enjoy some.
So here I have another.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. This other service toilet.
I got the red only.
Oh, look at that for look at that for us. Yummy, yummy.
Yellow and white.
Yes,
White.
got it. Okay, so those will go in here.
Yeah, everything else goes.
Perfect.
And then I'll be back in just a moment with Julie to help you all.
Rico, let's go the mine. The luggage. Ooh, let's go to my room.
Perfect. Amazing. Well, again, it's a pleasure to see you again, Mr. Rita. And if you need anything,
This is my room. Thank you. Bye.
I'll be back in just a couple moments here.
Thank you very much. Wonderful. So come somebody for help for my luggage. Actually, this is my room, and I'm sure here I put all my luggage here. I have 4 luggage. This is my little balcony, the beach. There we go. This is one. It is my luggage. One is this. It's coming color. This is my bathroom. I love making the bath. Oh, I really need it because in the yacht, no, I have only shower. Oh, I really want. Oh, actually, I have in my master room and the jacuzzi, but I never use. And upstairs, also I have jacuzzi, but I never use. No, jacuzzi I use. So, welcome to Four Seasons Residence.